I joined the CDPS because I was really excited about their mission. So I'm really excited about a real strong digital Wales, and a Wales in which public services are very much designed around the people that use them, and they're safe, they're compliant and easy to use. For me, that works towards a more equal Wales, and that's something I'm very passionate about. I've learned a huge amount, and it's been great fun doing that learning. I've learned about the huge amount of different organisations there are across the public sector that are all contributing towards delivering the digital strategy for Wales. So it's been interesting both to learn about those organisations, but also to meet the people within them and talk about the challenges and opportunities that they think there are. Very much learnt about how a Welsh Government arm's length body operates and what that means for me as a board member. And I've also learned about the ever-changing risks, opportunities and challenges that there are across the public sector in delivering user-centred services for Wales. I'd say do it. It's great fun. You're contributing towards a great mission in terms of making a difference to the delivery of public sector services across Wales. You'll be warmly welcomed. It's very much a skill set that we're looking for within the board. It will be much appreciated. We will spend as much time as you want, bring you up to speed on our journey so far and answering any questions that you might have. For me, the culture within the CDPS board is a very collaborative one. We're made up of a number of people that have got very different skill sets, and I think I certainly feel like all those skill sets and diversity of thought and views are very much valued and respected. As a board, we're very much focused on our mission and making sure that we support colleagues within the CDPS to make a difference within the public sector in Wales.